So I've been here now just over 10 years. I started in December 2010. Team leader it's interesting. Originally with the people at 7, I found it more difficult to manage due to just the personalities. But now there's less people, it's more easy to manage. It's just getting the guys now to cross-train across the flat and the 3D, especially myself, which I need to pay more interest in the 3D. Yes, I do. It's a bit of power. But the only downfall with myself is due to the 3D. I wasn't given the training, but like I say, we're going to come up with a plan this year and hopefully maybe get a DG on site to do some internal training. But in regards to the flat side, it's something that I've very experienced in, so I can show all the other 3 what to do. I'd probably say it's a relaxed environment. I know in previous jobs that I've had, it's always been very difficult to work in regards to maybe the pressures that are put on. There is pressure here, but it is very relaxed, it's very enjoyable, and you know, it's more important that you definitely come to work with a smile on your face. You know, if you're not happy, then you should leave. Yeah, I mean, to start with, I originally set a 5-year goal that my plan was to be a production manager here. But due to the changes in the business, the way it went, it was easier for me probably to be a team leader, just because of the fact that how it was growing. I'd probably say some of the designs that we've done, you know, the very bespoke or very complex parts. In particular, we did a Harry Potter sign, which took over 20 hours to program. So it had various parts of the film on the panel, and that was for a bespoke customer for his wife's birthday. I'd probably have to say sometimes managing people, it can be very difficult. Again, just down to personalities. But it's making sure that you work with them and they'll work with you. My favourite co-worker? I would probably have to say Julian or Dewey. Great guy, witty, crude, but again he's a good part of the business and he's good to work around. There's some good characters here. There's a lot of people who have a good laugh, hard-working, and sometimes share the same things that I share and want this company to succeed. Fun. I'd say Julian again, due to his experience here. He's been here over 20 years now, and just working close with him, understanding what's required for orders to go out on time, to be efficient, making sure they're good quality, and just working to his standards. Oh, it's got to be Jeffrey. Got to be. This season hasn't been very good. The last 2 seasons have been good, but we'll survive. The people. I'd probably say the demands of the business and the industry. It's a very fast pace. SSC has always strived to be quick turnaround. So making sure that we're processing efficiently and accordingly, but not only that, making sure it's of good quality and standard. Fun fact, Other than I'm probably the funniest guy in SSC, I've got a party trick which I can do. It's actually getting my eyelids, turn them inside out. So I'll just show you that.